everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Tana and today we are excited to share a new case study based on real result for a real estate businesses. We will show you how we help our client achieve outstanding outcomes. So without further delay, let's dive into the case study and explore how we deliver these impressive results. Client overview. So let's dive into our adventure with a dynamic real estate business right in the bustling heart of London, UK. This company specializes in all things property, buying, selling and renting. But despite their impressive portfolio, their Google ad campaigns were like a flat tire. They just were not going anywhere. Imagine having amazing properties from chic city flats to grand family homes, yet struggling to attract buyers and renters. It's like throwing a party and nobody showing up. They reached out to us eager to change their luck. Account audit. Upon auditing their Google ad account, we identified several issues like poor keyword targeting. The campaigns targeted generic and irrelevant keywords, leading to wasted ad spend with minimal return. Lack of proper ad extension. There were no ad extension like citing, call extension or location extension to enhance visibility and clickability. Inadequate budget allocation. The budget distribution was imbalanced with too much being spent on low performing campaigns. Ineffective audience targeting. The audience segmentation did not align with the client's ideal customer profile, resulting in low quality leads. No conversion tracking. There was no reliable tracking in place, making it difficult to assess campaign success or adjust strategy based on performance. Slow response from the previous agency. The client also expressed dissatisfaction with the responsive of the previous agency. Nothing delay in communication and action. What we did to turn things around, we implement the following strategies. Refined keyword strategy. We conducted in-depth keyword research to focus on high intent search terms specific to the real estate industry in London, such as buy property in London, London rental listing and commercial property for sale in London. Optimize ad copy and extension. We rewrote ad copy to better reflect the client services and added relevant extension to improve ad visibility. This included site link to specific property categories, call extension for direct communication and location extension to highlight their office in London. Improve budget management. We reallocated the budget to focus on campaigns with higher conversion potential, ensuring that top performing ad received sufficient spend. Audience segmentation. We refined audience targeting while leveraging demographic interest and in-market audience relevant to property buyers, sellers and renters in London. Conversion tracking setup. We implemented advanced conversion tracking to measure key actions such as from submission, property inquiries, phone calls. This allows us to better access campaign performance and optimize further. Enhance remarketing strategy. We launched remarketing campaign to re-engage users who had visited the client site but had not converted yet, driving them back to complete their inquiries. Result and client feedback. After our intervention, the results were impressive. The quality of lead improved significantly with more high intent user inquiring about properties. We successfully generated 580 conversion at cost per acquisition of $24.45 through regular account optimization. As we continue refining the campaign, result kept improving day by day. Additionally, the conversion rate saw a 40% increase, proving that the new strategy effective attract and converted high quality traffic. The client was pleased with our work and mentioned that they were now receiving consistent leads and inquiries, something that was lacking with the previous agency. They appreciate our timely response and proactive campaign management. Conclusion: while leveraging our expertise in Google Ad, understanding the real estate market in London, we were able to significantly improve the client online performance. Our strategy not only increased lead volume but also ensured higher quality leads, making their market budget work harder for them. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this case study and found the result exciting. If you are running Google Ads and facing similar challenges or struggling to get the result you need, just reach out to us via WhatsApp or our website. Share your budget and website and we will provide a detailed audit report highlighting key opportunities to boost your performance. If you like this case study, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.